Well, it's another war that has broken out, and this time it's over the Sanchar Sathi app. Cyber safety or snooping is the big question here. Government and the opposition locking horns once again. Kiren Rijiju, Parliamentary Affairs Minister, says opposition is waking up. Non-issues will meet opposition and clarify. Priyanka Gandhi Vadra has hit out, calling this dictatorship. Priyanka says privacy of citizens in peril. Government has hit out at the opposition. Listen in to Kiren Rijiju first.
अपोजिशन ये जो इशू ढूंढ करके लाने का आवश्यकता नहीं है। विंटर सेशन पार्लियामेंट में बिजनेस तय किया गया है, बहुत सारा मुद्दे हैं और कई मुद्दे जो अपोजिशन ने भी उठाया है उस पर हम बातचीत करके आगे क्या करना है इस पर विचार करेंगे। नए नए मुद्दे ढूंढ करके पार्लियामेंट को डिस्टर्ब करने के लिए बहाना बनाने का कोई आवश्यकता नहीं है। हर मुद्दे अपने जगह में इम्पोर्टेंट है।
Without the government looking at everything, it's not just one thing. It's not just snooping on the telephones. It's overall. They are turning this country into a dictatorship in every form. You ask me every day why Parliament is not functioning. It's not functioning because they are refusing to talk about anything. So it's very easy to blame the opposition, but the fact is they are not allowing any discussion on anything. And that is not democracy. A healthy democracy demands discussion and everybody has different views. You hear them out.
Now, what is being discussed or criticized right here, Amit, is the fact that there are privacy concerns. The government will know everything because this app has to become, has to come preloaded in phones manufactured from here on. The government says this is much ado about nothing. The opposition saying that privacy is going to be the casualty here.
Right, Sneha. The concern of the opposition parties certainly is the privacy angle. However, the government is continuously saying that, look, the Sanchar Sathi app is all about stopping the cyber fraud and instances of mobile phone theft, which often lead to several aspects of cyber crimes that has been seeing a rise or surge for the past 2 years, at least, so to say. So there could be a way to tackle that crisis through Sanchar Sathi app, which is going to be a preloaded thing for the manufacturers to ensure that it's on the phone, told to the users